Hello friends, just want to show you a little video that we've been working on, a little project that we've been working on. This is an alpha inverter that we're working on right here. I may be pronouncing it wrong, but you can see it right here. It's a 12 volt inverter, 1500 watt. This company here sent me this inverter and asked me if I'd be willing to run some tests on it. There's a YouTube guy already run tests on it, and from what I can see, this is a wonderful inverter. So as you can see, I got it almost finished on the completion side, and let me give you an idea of what's what. This is the inverter right here. This is the inverter, what we're pointing at right here. And as you come down, you got your positive that goes into a switch. I got a little switch here, on-off switch. And from the switch, you can turn it on and off right here. From the switch, it goes to a bus bar right here. And then from this bus bar, it goes over here, positive side, to a solar charger. As you can see, we got a solar charger here. What this does, this pulls power in from your solar panels on outside your home or wherever you got them mounted at, and it charges back to your batteries, which I don't have the batteries hooked up to it yet because I'm still in the process of getting this thing finished. I got a cut-off switch that I'm gonna put in the system, but it hadn't showed up yet. So soon I get the cut-off switch, it should be completed. Then I make another video and show you the end result of it. So this is just the start of it. Solar charger, bus bar negative, bus bar positive, on-off switch, which will turn this off. Then another wire comes from here down to another bus bar. It's a simple build. Anybody can put this together. I mean, you can put this together without any problem. And just to give you an example, a lot of this stuff you don't even have to have, but I recommend you doing it. But if you just want something simple to put together and ain't got a lot of time in it, you can leave this out. You can leave this solar charger out and charge your batteries back up with a regular battery charger. And if you decide not to put the solar charger in there, only thing you have to do is run these ends here to the positive and the negative of your battery, and this will work. But I recommend putting a switch in between. But if you just don't want to do a whole lot of work involved in it, you can just make it a real simple build. And this right here will keep your lights on. This right here also keep your refrigerator running. So this is a nice system. Like I said, it's not completed yet, but it soon will be completed. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. Please give me the thumbs up on it. Hope you like it. And like I said, when I get the switch, on-off switch, and I'm gonna complete it, and I'm also gonna hook some solar panel wires that comes out of here. That's gonna be done. And I probably put a couple more switches on it. Probably put a box right here and put where you can do like charge your cell phone up or plug into the cigarette lighter setup like that. That's what I'll probably do next. So hope you enjoyed the video. Alpha inverter, 1500 watts power inverter. Nice system, nice system. Hope you enjoyed the video. And while you're looking at the video, I like to take out time before I get off here and thank all my subscribers. I have a lot of subscribers, and when I started this channel just doing this right here. I was trying to show people how to put a little simple solar system together, for the simple reason, if they lose the power in the house, they can still run the refrigerator or some lights or whatever you choose to do. But this is just a little simple system. I got another system that runs my home, And this a bigger system. What this is, this it's a whole lot bigger system than this one is. This here just a 12 volt. The one that run my home is a 48 volt system. You probably can see the solar panels that I got on one of my videos on my YouTube channel, where I'm dancing in front of the solar panel. Yes, that's me out there dancing. And what it say on top of it, this is what it feel like not to have no light bill. That's a true statement. But that didn't come overnight to get that system like that. It took time. It took a long time to get that system built. And, you know, it just didn't come overnight. I just bought pieces here and there until I finally got it done. And someone asked me a question, how did you learn how to do that? Well, the way I learned it is the same way you all learn it. Looking at the YouTube videos. I looked at them, I started studying, I started asking questions. And then once the fear got out of me of not being shocked, which you can still be shocked if you do something wrong. Once the fear got out of me, then I just started doing it. But I'm going to show you another video on that as well. And I'm going to actually show you my whole system, but I'm just trying to take you through this little system. Enjoy your day. And again, thanks to all my subscribers. I appreciate y'all. And thanks to everybody that even take out time to look at the videos, whether it be solar chargers or portable solar generators you're looking at, or if you're looking at the car shows. I love car shows too, and a couple of them cars that you see on the videos, I do own a couple of them cars. But thank y'all for subscribing to the channel. Have a wonderful day.